What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have a bundle of casters. All right, this bundle is on Amazon. I will put a link in the description, and I will also post in the corner how much I paid for it. 2, 4, 8, and so with this caster set, I wanted to get a bundle because if you pay, all right, I went to Harbor Freight the other day, and the cheapest ones was $3 a piece. Okay, this set is basically cheaper. Okay, now this is basic. It swivels. Okay, this opening is. Give me a second. Sorry about that. Forgot my measuring tape. All right, so we have 1 3/4. Oh, I think I'm upside down on y'all. All right, I don't know if it's upside down, right side up, because I got this backwards. So it's 1 3/4 going that way. It's the width. Let's check the length out. We have 2, and let me get from corner to corner. We have 2 1/4, all right? So we have 1 3/4, 2 1/4 going from this point to this point. I'm not is not with that lump. I'm doing from point to point. The wheel is 1 1/2. All right, and we are going to use these for our pots outside. I mean, that's it. I'll show you, I'll give you some links to the other caster videos I did. One I did with a safe. Another one I did with my grill outside, so I could easily make it portable. And now I want my plants on the patio and the deck, and yeah, the plants on my patio and my deck, I want it to be easy to move around. Or my wife wanted it to be easy to move around instead of moving them by hand. The whole pot is heavy, so. Okay, everyone, now we have the casters on my hydrangea. This was a rescue hydrangea, right? It was at Lowe's. It was in the distress area last year. Nobody wanted it, so it was like $3, and I nursed it back to health. Now this year, it's looking amazing. Hydrangeas, I'm gonna let you know right now, you could only be 3 hours of morning sun. Some species of hydrangeas. So with me, I'll treat all species of hydrangeas the same way. So 3 hours of morning sun. Now my situation here was that I had it in the sun for a while, and some grass seeds got in there by accident, but that's another story. Okay, right now I am showing y'all the casters, right, that I just made, that I just got from Amazon, and it rolls good. Now this was supposed to be a 12 by 12, but the wood I had wasn't really enough, so I made it 10 by 10, and it worked out pretty good. So I'm gonna do the rest of them 10 by 10s. But this is how quiet it is, this to show y'all. Okay, and that's it. Already did a review on those casters over there, and those are amazing. So I'm gonna finish up. So that's the review of those casters right there. I'm gonna make the other two. I'll probably do a video on that on my Instagram, so follow my Instagram while we at it. Always Occupied DIY. I'm gonna do more DIY stuff on there. I might do some DIY stuff on YouTube, but I want YouTube to be focused on product reviews and home information, as far as helping people fix things or helping people just helping people out. Like, comment, and please subscribe.